Every potato starts here, dry and dusty from the field. The belt keeps them moving, jostling just enough so no one stays on top for long. As they roll under the canopy, high-pressure jets knock the soil away.
Initiating surface scan, defect detected, extracting, scan complete. 98% accepted, preparing for next batch.
Slices of potato drift in a bath of warm water, steam rising like breath on a winter morning. Here, heat and time coax starches to the surface, softening edges, brightening color.
Each crisp chip is guided into the funnel, landing in the cup with precision. At exactly 46 grams, the scale signals ready and the batch is released. Accuracy.
Pallet's clear. Sliding into Bay C2.
Copy. And Bear's bringing another run of chips your way.
Got it. Backing out now.
Looking good. Lots moving today.